As a project manager, you know how important it is to stay organized and efficient. That's where bulk edit comes in handy. With the bulk edit feature, you can quickly update multiple tasks at once, saving you valuable time and increasing productivity. So what can you do with bulk edit? Well, you can reassign tasks to other team members, adjust due dates, track progress, log billable time, and add tags all in one go. To get started with bulk edit, head over to the Task tab in your project. You will see the bulk edit icon located next to the Add Task List button. Click on it, select the task you want to edit, and choose the actions you want to perform. Once you're ready, hit the update button and all the selected tasks will be updated with your changes. But what if you need to make changes to tasks from different projects? No problem. Simply go to the All Tasks page where you will find the bulk edit icon on the top right corner of the page. From there, select the task you wish to edit, choose the actions you want to perform, and click the Update button to apply the changes.